Holy shit! Oh, feel that weight!
Really is the sound of freedom, and it's
Oi, 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 oi. Oh, oh baby. Oh yeah. Oh, that's nice. That is nice. Are they going to do a break? 3, 2, 1, go now. That's good enough for me. Thank God.
I do believe New South Wales police have just recorded the fastest speed in New South Wales this year, and the stick could end up being arrested before his next attempt. And the F-111. I can't be sure, but I think that was faster than 911. It could have been. So that was the standing start. We've had the race, or the points comparison. The 911 has come out the clear victor.
Holy, look at that!
There's going to be another one. Bit of a rolling start, huh? Yeah, there'll be another one a little later on this afternoon, just before 4 o'clock this afternoon, for our second attempt, and that will be where the Porsche races down the runway. The Hawk gets airborne. In fact, the Hawk will be airborne to come past, and then the Hawk has got to try and turn round. At the same time, the Porsche will turn round, and they'll both race back down the runway.
my money's still up.
Crank your head around to the right. Here it comes, the F-111, canopy up, wings are fully swept to the rear.
Let's get those cameras out and get them clicking, because at halt, if you'd like to head over to Lost Building Centre, Matt, you can retrieve William and Mark. Coming back in from the left now.
The wings were fully swept to the rear before, now he's thrown them forward. And the low speed, the low handling configuration.
He's doing it high up sort of thing.
Looks like he's now
high up.
That telltale smoke certainly indicates a little bit of acceleration there. Very unusual pilot and ops ejection system here. Instead of going out in the seats, the entire capsule comes out.
Yeah, so if they have to eject, the whole front of the aircraft will peel away from the rear. So you see the comparison between the Rhino, the classic Hornet. Those guys will go out through the canopy, and the seat will go away from the aircraft, whereas the whole front of the nose breaks away from the aircraft. Riding the burners now into the signature maneuver, the bump and burn.
Oh, that looks sick. You guys check those Who cares? I wanted to see this. Oh.
Quick complement of two, pilot in the left-hand seat, the air combat operator, the weapon system operator in the right-hand seat. Hailing from Raaf Williamtown on the outskirts of Brisbane, number 6 squadron. One squadron until very recently operated the F-111 as well. Now they operate the Super Hornet. So they've taken an aircraft, and in fact we will be joined by a Hornet pilot, Rhino pilot, very shortly for the Rhino display. Very nice.
She got the wing flex on that. Yeah. Shit.
This F-111, of course, adorned in the celebration colours, the retirement colours. There's a bit of tail art on there that's very unique to the retirement.
alignment of the F-111, and in fact you'll be able to take a photo of it as it comes past soon. Get the cameras ready.
One of the first aircraft to operate an afterburning turbofan engine.
What are they doing? I can't do it.
Going into the maximum performance, the max rate turn here, where wings are fully swept forward, trying to take out the least amount of distance. We've seen it a number of times today. We've seen the steep turns in the Seahawk, we've seen the steep turns in the L-39, and now the F-111 going faster, so taking up more ground in the maximum
Suppose you could call it one of the first stealth aeroplanes, creating its own stealth by the ability to penetrate at very low level and to keep very close to the terrain with that terrain following radar.
They're able to go in excess of twice the speed of sound. So you'll see the aircraft, and then a number of seconds later you'll hear the crack as the sonic boom passes you.
Not now, I don't think it's now, I think it's coming up soon.
4-point hesitation roll.
Whoa, that wing flex is mad. That's insane, man.
Another interesting design feature of the F-111, I think he's going to show us it directly. It was built originally to take off from carriers and land from carriers, so it has very rugged undercarriage. When it wants to go out and slow the gear, the air brake is also the gear door, so there's no actual restriction on airspeed restriction on when you can open the undercarriage and extend the undercarriage.
That's mad.
It pops out. The big wheels are all folded up like cramming stuff into a lady's handbag, but you'd think that they're too big, but they go into such a small space. Now you'll be coming round to come down and do a landing on the runway.
I can't believe it last time, last time for this plane.
It's amazing with these variable geometry wings, as the wings actually sweep, the stores pylons on the wings actually manoeuvre as well to keep into the airflow.
Yeah, absolutely. The Concorde was a sweep-wing aeroplane that was really good at high speed, not so good at low speed, whereas the F-111's the best of both worlds. So here comes Petey's landing.
And of course, like I didn't tell Ed, there's more folks.
And going rounds. This is how the first bump and burn was discovered. One of the aircraft had an emergency, he had to conduct a landing, and as he went around, he had to pull power or accident afterburner. As he was dumping fuel, the flames coming from the rear of the engine lit the fuel, and that's how the dump and burn was first created. A bit of a recreation, both here today.